Trevor, but not me. They can see you.
I can see you both.
Can they see me now?
Yes.
Without? Nah.
Yeah, all the time.
That's not good. So.
Not ready for this.
Why not? Why? Are you scared you're gonna lose? I'm
No. Howdy, welcome to Collectible Cord. I'm Cord. This is
Haley.
And this is
Trevor.
And today we're doing a box battle. We got 3 Mystery Grail boxes, and we have 6 of the Let's Start a Pop collection boxes. Weren't really any top hits in there. I mean, they did have some, but it's for charity, so it'll be fun. And guess we'll start opening these boxes. You want to go first?
Yeah.
That's what you're starting with? Alright.
Yes. Start with this one.
What'd you get? It's not expensive.
Oh, what do you think I got?
Take your wrapping off.
Boney Tony.
Now, Boney Tony. Garbage Pail Kids. Shared Spring Convention. Sticker. Go with yours. Well, we're going to do Mystery Grail.
Yep. Ooh, see what you get here. We think it's cool.
You can keep the candy in there.
Ooh, yay. What did you get,
Yeah.
Haley?
Hannibal Lecter from Silence of the Lambs.
Ooh, candy.
Then some fruit juice.
And then I got that.
And stacker. Alright. Yes, we'll open mine.
See what I got going. I'm opening mystery next. What did you get?
We got Logic
That's cool.
from the Pop Rocks.
This one. Robin.
Got Robin, the Imperial
That's nice.
Palace one.
Cool. Yeah, I got different ones. What candy did you get, Trevor? Those ones?
I got fruit juice. Yeah. Maybe. Alright.
I like that Robin unicorn.
Yeah, it's a really cool pop. Have the chase of him.
That was a good one.
It is. It's common though, so
Oh, it is?
yeah. Might be like $7.
Oh. What? How?
Hmm?
That looks really cool though.
Yeah, it is.
What my last box?
Got that from Let's Start Pop question box. Oh,
What did you get, Haley? Batman.
then she got
Goes my
Imperial
Robin.
Palace Batman.
Yeah, it's super duper
With the black
cool.
suit.
That goes on my Robin.
Do this one. Nice easy one. I got
Whoa.
Merman from Masters of the Universe.
Nice.
Just had a Funko Shop one of these.
What candy did you get?
Got 2 of the lemon.
Ooh. I always wanted to try lemon.
Check your values quick.
Okay. See what we got so far.
Ooh, that one's $22.
Ooh, it's pretty good. And I still have another box.
Yeah.
When does it have the hood? That one?
No.
Oh.
For Robin, $10.
See what Haley scores on Batman.
Oh, that's $12 for Batman.
Oh, it's more than Robin.
Yeah, it beats Robin.
Beat Robin. We'll see if yours
Hero
can...
Batman coming in at $12.
Let's see if this one can beat mine. Okay, let's see if that one beats it. 22. Come on, girl. Come on. Don't let me down. Don't let me... Haley, we still have another box, so we can still win. How much? What is it?
$12.
Yes! Oh, another $12.
Animals coming in at $12.
Another $12.
Mm-hmm.
Don't I have 32?
Yeah, you have 32.
What's Haley have?
Oh.
He has 24, I believe. No. King. What do you got, Cord?
Find out.
Merman and Logic. Oh no, we still have one more competitor, Haley. We'll see if he beats us.
We still have one more box after this anyways.
I know.
Logic coming in at $12.
Ooh. I feel like Trevor's gonna beat us. Maybe.
I don't know. Anything can happen.
Merman. See, Merman's helping you.
Yeah, might.
But even though we all still have one box, so we all have a chance.
Very true. You never know what's going to be in them.
Mm-hmm. Merman. 47.
Oh, $9.
Aw. Did Haley beat you? Yeah.
Merman's coming in at $9.
I'm surprised about that one. Yeah, I thought you'd be at least $12. I thought it would be like $20.
Alright. Let's go in and I guess I'll open the first one since I'm losing. I got
Okay, sure.
$21 worth.
I've seen it. See what you got, Cord. Thanks.
Am I going to win?
Maybe. I'm trying to tell you what it is.
Ooh, we got a Phoenix.
Ooh.
And I got Dark Phoenix from Hot Topic.
Dark Phoenix? Oh no, it's gonna be like $22.
Mm-hmm.
Haley goes next.
And Haley will go next. She has $24.
Yep. Oh my god, please be good. See what you got, Haley. I really want to win. I'm scared about it. See what you got. See what you got. Oh, I got this. There's that.
Got a Quake Soda.
Oh, scary.
The Enchantress
Scary.
from Suicide Squad. It's a DC Legion of Collectors exclusive. I don't know, that might be a good one.
Oh, it is.
So it's Trevor, he has $32.
Oh.
Ooh, what'd you get? He also got Quake Soda.
I got this yellow dude. I'm trying to tell who he is. Who's that?
Gudetama, the lazy egg
I used to have one of those, like,
from Hot Topic exclusive.
I used to have one of those, like, squeezy balls of it.
In 2020.
How much are these worth?
Want you guys to open those?
Yeah. Oh.
Yep. Rip that thing off. Nope. Nope, you got it.
How do you open these? I know how to open mine. The top. How do you do it, Corey?
You gotta open it like this.
Oh, we got a little bag in there.
No, you got it. Pull it off.
I'm wrapping.
Okay.
Oh, like that Superman one.
So you got the common quake.
No. I think we got the same thing. I got the Bulldog bill.
And he also got the common. So, don't get the chase prices.
Did you even get a soda pop?
No, mine didn't come with soda. I only had 2 of those.
Oh.
There's the common pogs.
Okay,
Alright.
yes.
Check out what's on Enchantress. I'll check mine.
I'll see what you got, Corey.
See if I came from behind.
What if you win? I feel like Cord actually lost. I feel like I definitely lost because this dude I don't think is gonna be that worth that much. I honestly don't. It's gonna be like worth like $9.
We already have a lead right now, so
Yeah.
are you gonna keep it?
Which one is it? This one?
I got it.
Is that it?
Oh, that one.
Well, that was it.
If it was a glow chase one, it would be $60. But this one is $12.
Ooh, pretty good. Pretty good. $12.
Alright.
Haley.
So Haley's Enchantress. She has to at least get a $9 to tie me. And don't get last.
It looks super duper scary.
It is. It's gonna get you
No.
while you're sleeping.
Corn.
What?
That creeps me out. Look. There's Batman in the background.
Up. $26.
Ooh. Yeah, I lost.
I don't know.
This is only gonna be a, I don't know,
Right now, she only has a.
18.
Yeah, she has $50, and you have
Oh!
32. So you have $18 lead.
Yeah, I don't know.
So as long as it's $18,
No, there's no
you
way.
hold on to your lead. I don't
There's
know.
no way.
You never know.
No way. Brad, am I gonna win? I'm scared. Wait, no, Corton still went. Or no, he already did.
No, I lost.
He already did his. He lost 12, 9, 12. See?
What's it gonna be?
I'm so
What's
scared.
it gonna be? What's it gonna be? $20.
Ooh. Wait, I won?
By 2.
You won by $2.
Let's go. No. I did not think that was gonna be that much. Damn.
All right.
Let's go.
So Trevor won with 52. She had 50, and I finished up with
30.
24, 30, $33. Well, we didn't add in the price of sodas, but those are both common, so maybe $12, but didn't affect their values. All right. Well, did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
All right.
I
Well,
want to do another one.
Thank you, Let's Star Pop Collection, for those. Glad to support your charity, F Cancer. All right. You guys have a great day.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
All right.
Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. Here, let me see. Can she hold SpongeBob? Just to see him.
Sure.
All right, come on. There's stars. Okay, Haley, sit
Got
down.
jellyfish.
Jellyfish, where?
Oh, lots of jellyfish inside there. Howdy. Welcome to Collectible Cord. I'm Cord. This is why we're going to have to do multiple times.
Trevor made me laugh. I did? Yes. Oh my god. Okay, come on. Come on. Trevor made me laugh. Okay, come on. Attempt 2. Oh my god. Come on.
Oh, I can't attempt 2 until somebody stops laughing. Howdy, welcome to the Collectible Cord. I'm Cord. This is
Miley.
This is
Trevor. That's gonna take 5 times. We need to start again. I didn't know we were supposed to say her name.
Oh, that's why.
Okay, we gotta restart. Come on.